The end of the year always brings a lot of new things if you're a maker. And today we are here at Creality Summit Brazil to see what this giant of 3D printing is going to bring for us next year. Let's go. The first thing that really stands out is the new Ender 3 V4. Yes, we have a new Ender, but this time it looks incredible. It's supposedly much easier to assemble because this entire frame is gonna come in one single part. And to assemble it, all you gotta do is bring in the base, lock it in, and then position. So this is going to be the new entry-level printer of Creality. From next year on, it's supposed to be very customizable as well in terms of the aesthetic that you can give to it. And this is going to be the new school for people starting 3D printing next year. If you started on Ender 3 as well, comment down below and let me know. Let's go. Creality High, already known by the public, but it's also gonna be present next year. This is a cool printer. I enjoy printing in these. And this is the printer I got most excited about at the presentation because this is going to change the game completely for resin printers. So what happens here is that the entire vat goes up and it starts printing with the vat upwards and then it decreases as the print goes on. And to remove the print from the build plate, all you gotta do is remove this and then unlock it and it's going to automatically unload it. So it's super interesting the way they did it, and it's going to make resin printing faster, easier, safer as well, and also a cleaner method. You won't have to manually pour in the resin anymore because all you gotta do is connect the bottle right here and it's going to automatically feed the system and keep it always nice. It's also going to recycle the temperature inside. If you've printed in resin on a cool spot, you know that when the resin gets cool, it damages the print. This is going to guarantee that the temperature of the vat is always going to be stable and ready to go.
Channels and your excellent localized services.
And this is probably the most unexpected thing that we had seen in this presentation today. It's Nextbee, which is Creality's new lifestyle brand. These are not products that you can print with a Creality. This is a 3D printed shoe that you can purchase yourself. And it looks cool. I'd like to purchase one of these. Let's see if they're gonna be selling those at the end of the event. So this is a little bit of what we got to see at the Creality Summit Brazil. I'm super excited to see what the next year is gonna bring for the 3D printing industry in general. And tell me in the comments below, what are you most excited about next year? And out of all of these things, what do you think is gonna be the best bet that Creality did? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, share it with someone you think you might be interested in, and don't forget to follow our channel. See you in the next one. Bye.